Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Natasha Denona Peak palette. This is a 5-pen palette that I got in my BoxyCharm for the month of November. And as you can see, we get 4 matte shades and 1 shimmer shade. And I swatched it on my arm just to show you how they look on my skin. First, I'm going to put my hair back and then let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White, and I'm going to apply this all over my lids using my fingers. Taking this crease brush from Morphe, I'm going to dip into that shade Amhara, and it looks like a mauve shade to me, like a mauve color, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm just slowly going to build up the color, just going back and forth with my brush on my crease and kind of just dragging the color a little bit upwards as I apply it. This shade is performing beautifully so far, super buttery and blendable, and I'm just going to keep building it until I like the way that it looks. Using the same crease brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow, but I'm also going to drag that color up a little bit higher. I don't want it to just disappear. I want it to be on my lid, but a little bit higher and more natural looking. Then taking that same crease brush, I'm going to dip into that beautiful deep orange shade Jasper, and I'm going to apply that directly onto my crease. As you can see, the shade is super pigmented, but it's also super blendable, and it's applying beautifully. And I'm just taking my time, perfecting the application of it. I'm making sure that I have enough pigment, but also that it's nice and blended out. Then I'm going to take this blending brush from Moda Cosmetics and I'm going to dip into that cream shade Aya, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow. Then using my finger, I'm going to apply that beautiful shimmer called Shine to my lids. And I'm going to use my finger, then I'm going to take a very small brush just to perfect the application. And this shimmer really stunned me. It's super, super pigmented, but also nice and blendable, and it just applied beautifully. Then I'm going to go in with just a small brush and perfect the application of that shimmer all over my lid. Using the Morphe crease brush, I'm going to dip into that beautiful brown shade Thorn, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eye and then slowly blend it into my crease for some nice dimension and contrast. Then I'm going to take the blending brush without adding any color to it, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the shadow that I just applied. Then taking a small angled brush, I'm going to dip both into the orange shade and the brown shade together, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line, just to smoke out the look a little bit. Then I'm going to take a clean blending brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of my shadow everywhere. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love how this eyeshadow look turned out. I really am impressed with this Natasha Denona palette. I hope that you all enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. And don't forget to subscribe before you go. Let me know in the comments what other makeup tutorials you guys would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram at NoriLovesBeauty. And I'll see you guys in the next video.